Today I'm going to show you how to cancel an American Airlines flight. Whether your plans have changed or you need to make adjustments to your travel schedule, understanding the cancellation process can save you time and potentially money. Let's walk through exactly how to do this. First, it's important to understand American Airlines cancellation policy. You have 24 hours from the time you first buy your ticket to make changes or cancel for a refund, but this only applies if you booked at least 2 days before departure. This 24-hour window is crucial because it gives you a risk-free period to reconsider your plans. After these 24 hours pass, refunds are not allowed for non-refundable fares, so timing is everything here. The good news is that you can change or cancel your trip online in just a few steps, making the entire process straightforward and manageable from the comfort of your home. To cancel your trip, start by finding your booking. You have two options here. You can either use your confirmation code, which was sent to you via email when you first booked your flight, or you can log in to your AAdvantage account if you're a member. Both methods will give you access to your trip details. Once you've located your trip, look for the menu option that says Cancel Trip. This is typically found in the Trip Management section. Click on it to proceed. The system will then prompt you to confirm the cancellation because this is an important action that can't be easily undone. Take a moment to review your trip details one more time before proceeding. After reviewing, click Cancel Trip again to confirm your decision. This second click serves as your final confirmation that you want to proceed with the cancellation. Once the cancellation is processed, check your email for your trip cancellation information. American Airlines will send you a confirmation email with all the details about your canceled flight, including information about any credits or refunds you may be entitled to, depending on the type of fare you purchased and when you canceled. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your American Airlines flight through their online system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.